Boy, oh boy, it's a good time to be alive because there's some crazy things going on with EverRise. That just happened. Check this out. EverRise is up 50% on the day. Just check it out. Here, clicking on EverRise, 50% up. Volume was 6-7 mil yesterday. Now it's at 10 mil, 63% up. Am I not the oracle of Wall Street bets right now? What was the other name? Of the Satoshi Street bets. There was an AMA yesterday with EverRise. By the way, this video is no financial advice. Like it, subscribe. I'm a random dude. Don't even listen to me at all. So, there's so many things, but I just want to point out a few things that you should know. I called the crash, like on top. I just want to tell you that I called the crash. I called the breakout pattern on EverRise, and I'm telling you, there's some exciting news for it, and we're making gains while the whole market is going to zero. Look, I've got some BTS, I've got some BTC on my holding account. They're just losing value. I just chucked in like 6 grand yesterday, paid like $700 in fees to buy EverRise, and now it's worth over 7 grand. Just because I bought pretty much at exactly the breakout pattern. I don't know why Poolcoin is so slow. We'll talk about it in a little bit, but I just wanted to mention a few things that you should know. I streamed two days ago and said, guys, there's going to be a crash. You can see it right here. You can open it. There's going to be a crash exactly like here. I said, guys, take profit. It was at 36 grand BTC. And as soon as I said it, I said, guys, I'll stop the stream. See you in a little bit. I started another stream. It was already crashing. You can check and fact check it. Then I said there's gonna be a crash for Bitcoin again. I warned you guys at like 35 grand, and I warned you about the Shiba crash at 950. And then I said I'm buying EverRise and it pumps. What more do you want? Are you not entertained? Cause check this out. This is pretty interesting. The whole situation right now is pretty interesting, and I'll show you a lot of things that I just found. First of all, the AMA yesterday wasn't a complete flop. It was actually really good. There were just 2 SSB accounts. They have something about. We'll go over the news for EverRise. Then I'll go over my technical analysis. Please stay and watch the video all the way until the end. If you own EverRise and you don't watch the video until the end, you'll be like the losers selling in the middle. Can't even open the chart to show you, but there were some people taking profits 20% ago. Losers, right? My HODL chart is okay. Let me type in EverRise. Poolcoin is having some issues right now. What a great time to be alive. Poolcoin having issues. Okay, let's start with the news then first. So on their official EverRise Twitter, by the way, you should also follow my Twitter, because I post a lot, like 5 times a day of videos and share them there. We do some Twitter wars with other tokens, having fun. Official statement regarding an SSB account tweet targeting our successful AMA today. Oh, before I mention that, I gotta tell you 2 things. First, I'm sponsored by Bybit. If you want to trade with leverage, use my link in the description down below. They're giving you a bonus when you sign up. They are the greatest platform right now to trade with leverage in terms of fees. And if you want to buy BNB with the lowest fees, to then check that BNB into EverRise the same way I did it. I actually did it live, about 6.2 grand worth of EverRise live. You can see this video, and you can use my link in the description down below to sign up for Binance. Let's continue with the Twitter. So a message from EverRise team. It has come to our attention that there were 2 SSB groups in dispute over credibility. Unfortunately, EverRise has been caught in the crossfire. We would like to make it very clear that we have not and will not ever associate with a counterfeit brand or company. The AMA we did was with a rep of the authentic SSB group, who is associated with the original Wall Street Bets founder and owns the Twitter account Wall Street Bets. Follow the paper trail, we have nothing to hide. Bottom line, we do not care to be involved in drama. Our AMAs are solely in educating users, blah, blah, blah. It was really good. Satoshi Street Bets, if that's true, why don't you ask the fake group to unban you from Satoshi Bets? Oh wait, they can't. It's almost as if they are fake and having nothing to do with Satoshi Street Bet. Source me, the founder who spent hundreds of hours working on the community. We don't care about that. Yeah, so there's still drama. What the AMA with the real? We had a small dip during the AMA. Oh, here is the chart. Great. This dip happened during the AMA. I didn't manage to watch it live because I made like 100 videos yesterday, 2 streams, and I was very sleepy. But I was watching the chart, and I saw people just taking profits during the AMA. It just started here, and people were taking profits. I wasn't scared because the support was this resistance that we broke out from. I managed to buy in here, by the way, if you're wondering. The video I made, I managed to buy here, breakout pattern. We didn't need the support from this breakout, which is great. So now we're gonna go, you know, crazy high. But I feel like we're gonna have another breakout pattern emerge right here. We're gonna 2x and break out from here, especially if we get listed on some major exchanges. And that's what I wanted to tell you guys. I do 2 petitions on change.org. If I want, don't forget, I will link them in the description down below of this video. I also have them on my Twitter. I think it's a good idea to just go on my Twitter and check both of them out. These ones, because we need to sign the petition to get EverRise on Binance, get this will 10x's, just like it did for Shiba Inu, 10, 20x, 30x. We can get $1 billion market cap, which is a 25x from here. If you don't believe I'm a real holder, I have 7 grand now. That's after the fees to check it in. 125 bill worth of EverRise. I'm expecting at least a 10x from this cryptocurrency. This is the hottest cryptocurrency right now, in my opinion. This is something else that I'll have to check on the stream. You guys asked me about it, but I'll check it later. So 50k holders, yeah, we got that yesterday, and this token is just 2 weeks old. So this is insane. Something that I want to point out is Eric Sykes just tweeted 2 hours ago, I have a pancake swap open. What should I put in my portfolio? Baby Dogecoin? No, baby, no. Definitely just go for Rise. I just got 50% in the last day, and it was #1 searched on coin market cap for a week. And it has a Kraken to buy the dips. If you can find this tweet and retweet it, I'm new to Twitter. I'm trying to get the gist of it. So if you want to help me out, follow me. I'll be as active as possible to help the EverRise project go further. Should I retweet this? Maybe I should. I don't know. I'm new to this. We talked about the petitions. Let's check a little bit from the Reddit. So Wall Street bets right from the horse's mouth. Yep, why? Do you guys own Satoshi? Yep, why? Is this one or this one? The one with the guy's face in the logo, or the one with no guy in the logo? Excellent. Thank you so much for your answer and your time. So yeah, they're saying this one with the guy's face. This drama definitely wasn't helpful, but AMAs in general are really poorly done. I don't know. Do you want me to do an AMA with you guys? EverRise, just reach out. I'm going to do an AMA for Pink Panda. We'll do it properly. It will be better than Shiba Inu. We won't let stupid questions like when Lambo appear. We can actually have proper questions with Reddit. People will vote. It can be as how do you say it? As democratic as possible. People vote on the questions. I think it's gonna be a lot better, and I really like the whole Kraken idea, because you can't really sell. Like, you can't, even when I want it, day trade it, I can't. Like right now, okay, this dip might suggest small correction. Someone might sell here and rebuy here, right, or rebuy here, but you can't because you're paying a lot of fees. So you just gotta hodl. And even a day trader like me, I just gotta hodl my money, and I'll hodl them until at least 10x or 20x from the breakout here. Because this is what I expect from EverRise. Expect a huge increase. over the next few days. If the video helped you out in any way, oh, one more thing, if you have like 120 bill, just like me in EverRise reaches $1, will be richer than Mark Zuckerberg. Just a fun fact that I want to point out. There's a lot of information that I need to go over right now. I want to check more about the drama because I'll have more news on EverRise. If you're new, subscribe, like, really appreciate you. And I'm here to serve you, bring you with all the latest news in the crypto space. See you next video. Bye.